Good morning, everyone. This morning we're going to harvest our cabbage, and so I'm just going to show you how to harvest them. So what we want to do is just push all of the leaves back, nice and good. And then we're just going to take the head, we're going to take a knife and just cut it from the bottom of the stem. This is a very big one. Got it? There we go. Wow. Oh, goodness. So this is our cabbage. So now what we're gonna do is just pull some of these leaves off. And these leaves are still good, you can still use them. Then we're gonna pull some of these off. And again, the outer leaves you can go ahead and keep, wash them off, and use them to cook with if you want to. And that's it. So now we have our cabbage. That's how it looks. And all you need to do is just kind of clean it up a little bit. Not too much, because you don't want to get water inside unless you plan on using it. Just dry it, and then this will stay stored in your fridge for about 2 weeks, or you can store it in a nice cool dry area with circulation, and it might last in your pantry in a cool dark place for a couple weeks. And that's it. Wow. There we go. Very in there. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. And what I will probably do is just kind of leave this here and see if there's any room for growing additional cabbage. Sometimes you can grow additional cabbage. So we'll see. So we are going to harvest some carrots that we just put in the ground. Let's see if they are ready. Look at that. Oh my goodness. These are baby carrots, or dwarf carrots. Wow. That's another one. I think that's it. Oh, there's one over here. See, this one is ready.